Big Dub TV back. Got another one for y'all. Update on the 1982 Chevy Impala. So when I got this car, it didn't run. All the vacuum hoses was everywhere. Still got some work to do. It's the original motor, 350. But what I was able to do was put the radiator in, connected the upper hose, had to buy lower radiator hose. That's connected, got wires running everywhere. It said the person before me, yeah, I don't know what they were doing, but it does start though. I did get it to start. Ran these vacuum lines and stuff. Had to tee that one off. Ran that straight to the canister. Plugged everything up. Figured out was what. Made sure the spark plugs was in the proper firing order. And that's about it. But the car does start. When I first got it, it didn't start. It was everywhere. Oh, and I did put new spark plugs in there. Still debating if I should LS swap it. I said I wasn't, but you know, when you have a project car, things tend to change. But yeah, a couple things. Like I said, it's not nothing major. The people that had it before me, or the original owners, took real good care of it. It was a lot of receipts in the car showing, you know, how much they paid for the tires, just the routine maintenance, well taken care of. I'm assuming it's whoever had it after the first owner just started doing shit, and they got lost, and that was that. So they decided to sell it to somebody else, and that somebody else decided to sell it to me. So I'm gonna let y'all hear this mug run. It sounds a little rough, but it does start up. One turn. Let me show y'all. Gotta check in the light. There was these things, I don't know what this is and what it was for. My uncle said something about some kind of pump, air pump or some shit. I don't know, but it went inside on the side of the headers, right where the, you know, where the headers was. It was right there, but they said the person who had it, they had all this cut up. The lines was all cut, so I decided to take them all off, but I'm thinking that's where all the extra, cause it's a lot of air that's running rough, that's coming through. Let me get y'all down here. Running through those holes right there. So I got that one right there, that one right there, and then there's a third one, and on both sides. So that connected to the piece I just showed y'all. So if y'all know what this is, tap in with me and let me know what this piece is for. It was connected to this, to the headers, and the previous owners had it all cut up. So I'm trying to figure out what that is and what can I do to bypass all that stuff. I heard it was 40 emissions, but I'm not too sure. I have a Haynes manual that's been helping me out, but other than that, it does run. I can drive the car right now, but it's still some stuff I don't know about with these 350s. It's the only reason why I thought about LS swapping because I'm very familiar with those engines. But these right here, like I don't know what this is, so if y'all could tell me what this. Like I was saying, before my phone had died out, a lot of this stuff I understand. Some of it I don't, but I think this is for like the thermostat, but this connection's all messed up because I know the thermostat's inside of here, so I know it has something to do with that. That I don't know what that is. Don't know what this is. Don't know what this is. But like I said, it's running. So y'all see what the engine looks like right now. If it's anything that y'all would recommend that I do with this, or any tips, you know, let me know. Leave it in the comments. Still wondering why this port has a hose on and a screw in it. So this one is like that. And then this one is the same. You put a fucking spark plug to plug that one up. And then there's another one back here. So all that stuff, if y'all can lead me in the right direction, that will be so helpful. Like I said, I don't want to LS swap it, but if I have to, I will. But that's what's making this fun, is just learning about this engine. Eventually I'm gonna take all this stuff off, the water pump, alternator, compressor, take all this stuff off and clean it up. And probably replace some of this shit, because I really don't know how long this shit has been on here, but clean it up. Spray paint some of the brackets, make it look better than what it does. New water pump. So yeah, Dub TV signing off. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if y'all have anything you guys wouldn't mind helping me with.